second video, I will be discussing the material next to my course. Pattern-making terms. The following terms and definitions are related to the crown. Pattern drafting, a system of pattern making that depends on measurements taken from a form or model to create basic foundation or design patterns. An example is the draft to the basic pattern set. Pattern making, a system of pattern making that depends on previously developed pattern. Next, basic pattern set, a 5-piece pattern set consisting of front and back bodies and shirt and a long sleeve, which represent the dimension of a specific form or feature. The basic pattern set is back, sleeve, front, back shirt, and front shirt. Working pattern, any pattern used as a base for manipulation when generation design patterns. In this next, the basic pattern set is the base for design project.